Welcome to LFA's guide to fixing a soft tablet due to lack of pressure. There's a few reasons your press can produce a soft tablet, and today we're going to look at lack of punch pressure. First, clean off any excess powder from the base plate. Undo the upper drift pin assembly locking nut with a spanner. Next, turn the upper drift pin assembly clockwise down the thread. This will increase the punch pressure, producing a harder tablet. Do this in small increments. Tighten up your drift pin assembly locking nut. Then test. As mentioned, it's important to do this in small increments and test by turning the flywheel by hand first, as not to damage your motor. For more information, products and guides, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.